Anti-Semitic graffiti in Western Connecticut, this time in a middle school bathroom in Wilton. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter has more on what Middlebrook School is doing about it.
Middlebrook School's principal says all students here should feel confident they'll be treated with respect. But administrators discovered one who drew a swastika on the wall of a boys' bathroom here Thursday. And it's not the first swastika found in Wilton and neighboring communities in the past 9 months.
I was frustrated.
Rabbi Rachel Bierman of Temple B'nai Chaim learned about the hateful graffiti from one of her members.
I was dreading writing another letter to my congregation to tell them, and disappointed that it had happened again.
The principal sent out this email to parents explaining the investigation into the incident. It said the student responsible for the swastika had come forward and the school was taking disciplinary action as well as working to teach that child. Principal Lauren Feltz also noted that while no excuse can or should be made for this action, in talking with the student, it is clear that the intent in making the graffiti was not a message of hate. Bierman says she's grateful the student took responsibility and admitted the mistake.
This is a moment when education, both in the school and in all of our families, is really important. For the kids to understand what the symbol means, what the history is crucial.
Bierman spoke with administrators who say they'll work with leaders of the local Jewish community as well as the Anti-Defamation League to collaborate moving forward.
I was really pleased with the way it was handled, both by the child and the family and the school.
The principal here closed out her email saying Middlebrook students are charged with being positive agents of change in the world and standing up to hate. In Wilton, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.